Yeah, this is gonna be the beginning of this video. I wanted to make this video because at the start, the first upload that I have on this channel is about this car and what I was planning to do with it. I said that I wanted to do an OEM plus build and that I wanted to keep it under a 10K budget. And so I'm making this video to basically explain where I'm at on the budget, since I haven't given an update at all. So we're gonna start off with the first mod that I did, which was the Grom BT3, and I'll put the price. I'll put all the prices for all the mods that I've done so far, or all the modifications that I've bought. I'll just put them on the screen somewhere. Now, the second mod that I ended up buying, I want to say the second mod that I bought was the Innovate oil pressure gauge, which I still have not installed. That would be the second mod that I ended up buying. I also ended up buying the Mishimoto oil sandwich plate for the temperature sensor as well. So I'll put the price for those two items here. I have yet to install them yet, just because mainly just due to time, but I'll just give that reason for now, just mainly just due to time. I also did get the A-pillar sent off to get modified, so I'll have two pods for it, one for an air fuel ratio sensor and then one for the oil pressure sensor. So that would be another item that I would add to the cost. I want to say the fourth modification after that would probably be the wheels and tires. I'll put the price on the screen. I ended up buying these wheels off of Facebook Marketplace. We actually bought two sets of wheels. My original plan was to just get a shitty pair and then have them refurbished. But that didn't really end up working out because I ended up calculating all the expenses, and it would actually come out more expensive. So I just went with a pretty okay set off of Facebook Marketplace. I'll put the price here for how much I paid for them. After that, we bought resonated high flow cats from Fast Intentions. We still have not installed them, but I did buy those, and I'll put the price for them on the screen now. And then after that, we bought the Fast Intentions catback as well, and I'll put the price for them here. I actually did end up getting the resonated high flow cats and the catback both on discount as well. So I want to say the high flow cats I got with I want to say it was with the Labor Day discount, and then the catback I ended up getting with the 4th of July discount. So I ended up getting both of those items discounted. And then finally the last modification that I've purchased is my Akebonos. Now I still haven't installed them, and I think I will talk about the Akebonos on this video, because honestly I fucked up with those. Earlier this year I uploaded a short where I was showing off my rotors and how essentially like they started developing like spots on them, just because the pads would heat up too much. And these pads, I don't know if they're OEM or aftermarket, I'm not sure what they are, but they're clearly not good enough. Like they don't withstand the heat that I apply to them, and they just end up essentially warping the rotors just because of the uneven pad material. Now, at the time I had thought, hey, I'm gonna buy some Akebonos, that way I can remedy the issue, you know, and that was kind of my solution for it. And looking back at it, I mean, I've been knowing for a while, but realistically, since I'm already on a budget, I really should have gone with better pads and rotors, and then if I really needed it, I should have gone with Akebonos. But I don't know why at the time I just didn't think of it at all. And so here I am sitting with a set of Akebonos, total for all the parts. I got pads, rotors. I rebuilt the Akebonos. I fully disassembled them. I'll probably show the clips and stuff on here. The total were probably like $1,200 to $1,300 in that whole set. And to be honest, I don't like the way they came out. The powder coating was shitty. It wasn't the right color that I wanted. I wanted them to look like OEM, like the Infinity OEM silver metallic, and it just didn't come out the way I wanted it. And I ended up clear coating them just to make them shine a little bit more, and that also fucked up whenever I was rebuilding them. I was cleaning them with brake clean, and it just the clear coat just started to come off, and I'm dissatisfied with them. I want to get rid of them, get some of my money back, you know, and just start fresh. You know, if I lose $400 on them, that's fine. I just don't want them anymore. My next plan for my brakes, because I have to fix the front rotor stuff for the pads overheating, but my plan now is to get EBC pads along with some rotors, and I think I'll just get them from Summit Racing, since they have a kit for the front, and that'll come with 2 blanks. And I'm still deciding if I should go with yellow stuff or red stuff, and I think we'll probably end up going with yellow stuff, just to be on the safer side. But yeah, I ended up fucking up with that. I mean, like I said, we have $1,200 to $1,300 essentially trapped in that Akebono like kit. And it's like, I have everything. I have the banjo bolts, pads, brand new hardware. It's ready to bolt on, but I honestly, like, I'm not happy with it. I'm not happy with how they look. Like, I really don't want to put them on my car, if I'm being completely honest. And like I said, I'll sell them at a loss. I don't care. I also forgot to mention, we lost $100 on the first set of wheels that we purchased. So we're down. I'll add up the total of all the mods and the money that I've lost so far. Like I said, we've only lost 100 on the first set of the nasty black wheels that we bought. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update, because I made that video about me wanting to keep it in a 10K budget, and I just never made a video like saying how much or like where we're at on the budget, you know. So this is what this video is for. I'll also put like clips in for the Akebono stuff, because like I said, I'm gonna wrap up the Akebono stuff. Like, that's gonna be end for now. I say the one good takeaway from that is that I did learn how to rebuild them, and honestly, it's not that bad. It's actually pretty easy. So that's what I will say is like the silver lining of that, is I did learn how to rebuild calipers, how to inspect them, inspecting the pistons, the bores, removing everything, removing all the seals, all that stuff. I learned how to do that. So that's the one good takeaway about that. But I think I'm gonna end it here. I just wanted to do like a quick update, because I also haven't made a video in a minute. I uploaded shorts today. I ended up getting my windshield replaced, and I also removed the tint off all of my windows, because I want to put on the carbon ceramic stuff. So yeah, it's gonna be in the video. Hope you guys have been enjoying the video so far, enjoying like the process of building the G. I know it's taking a while, and I have parts, I have the money, but it's just really the time and the energy. It just gets taken away a lot. A lot of it just goes to my job. So I'll see, probably the next video will definitely be me installing new pads and rotors. So I'm ending it off here instead of blabbering on. But yeah, look forward to that video. I'll give my review on it on the EBC yellow stuff pads. I'm probably gonna go with yellow stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna end it here. Peace out. Do a little pull.